Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arisha. I will explain the topic externalities. Definition: externalities refers to situation when the effects of production or consumption of goods and services impose costs or benefits and other which are not reflected. Example: passive smoking. Smoking results in negative effects not only on the health of a smoker but on the health of other people. There are four main types of externalities. Positive consumption externalities, education, advertising, insurance. Positive production externalities, local construction, new technology, training. Negative consumption externalities, smoking and air pollution. Negative production externalities, air pollution, water pollution, construction, new houses. How do you control externality? Government can discourage negative externalities by taxing goods and services that generate a spillover cost. Government can encourage positive externalities by subsidizing and goods and services generate spillover benefits. Solution. Possible includes of solution following taxes, additional resources. Thank you.